After installing offline WordPress theme, you will find something like this. This is called theme options panel, and your site will be look like this one. You got your logo, you got your social icons, and you got your phone number that can be a tap to call, and I will show you later. And then you got your navigation or menu and a slider, interactive slider. Then you got your contact form, and then got your call to action text. Then you got three featured section, and then you got your blog sections and home page widget area, as well as the footer widget area and copyright sections. Now let's go to the general settings. Here you will be able to enable comments on pages, as well as you have options to add disable comments from your posts. Then you have options to add your analytics scores. After signing up with Google Analytics, paste the code that gives you here. Then you got custom CSS, and these options will help you to change your site very easily if you have basic knowledge about CSS and HTML, and it will save your time a lot if you know how to do it. Then you got option to add some JavaScript code, and it is really advanced and your developer will love it. Then you got footer scripts. Then we'll go to the header settings. Here you will find options to upload your logo, upload your favicon, and then your call to action or phone number. Now I will show you how to upload a logo or image. Now click the select, and here one moment, I'm finding an image for logo like this one. Okay, now you have to click the full size, then you have to click send to option 3. Now your logo is here. Now you have to click save changes. It is very essential, otherwise your changes will not be updated. Now let's go to the website and click the logo. You see that the logo has been changed. Now I will show you how to add your social icons. For this you have to go to social bookmarkings, and you have to you can give it a title like it is Facebook title. Then you can add a link like something your Facebook page link, and I am leaving it blank now and added a hash. And you can upload a social icons just like the logos, like I will upload this icon as social icon. Then click the send to option 3. Be aware that you have to click the full size image for now. Then send to option 3 and save changes. Now if you refresh your site, you will see that this icon has been changed, and as well as the titles were added here. And if you look like check it on the left hand side, you see that the link has been updated as well. And it is fairly easy. You can drag and drop your social icons to rearrange them, and then you also have to click the save changes. And if you check it in your browser, you will see that the icons placement were changed. Now I'll show you how to change your phone number. Now you have to go to the header settings, and you will find that there is an option that that is called contact information. Here you will have to add a add your mobile number. If you want to make it tap to call, you have to add some basic HTML code like so. If you add some if you add HTML basic HTML code, something like this, you will your phone number will be tap to call on mobile screen. So Here this is your actual phone number, and you are not allowed to add any space between this number, but you can add dashes or spaces of your phone number here, and your phone number will be tapped to call. Now click the save changes and go to your website and refresh it, and you see that it is already tapped to call here. Now uh, I'll show you how to manage your home page from theme options. Now you see that you have options to replace your slider with video or static images, and you have option to select whatever it will be, slider, video or static image, as well as you can select different slider on your home page. I'll show it to you later. Now here this options that says welcome area, this is actually your call to action, and that is uh, that is it. uh, and you can change whatever it is, and it is something like normal editor, and you can add your text here very easily. Now I will show you how to manage your featured area. For this, you have options like you can select a page and a page, and for this you already have to create pages, and you can assign them for your featured area, as well as you have option to upload an icon for these areas. Like I will upload a icon, and that that is it, and be sure that it is 32 pixel wide and 32 pixel height, and click the save changes, and you see that the icons were added. Be sure that it should be 32 pixel wide and 32 pixel height, and as well as you can add different icons for different featured pages. Also, there is an option to add some more custom texts, like this home page custom text above the featured box. For this you have to add your content here, and you have to click the enable home page custom text above the featured area, as well as there is another section for the for below the featured area, and you can add your content here, and it is really easy to do it, and it is very SEO friendly. And now you have to refresh your website, and you will see that this custom text has been added very nicely very nicely. Now sorry sorry, this one, click, and if you refresh your website, you'll see that a custom text has been added above the featured box and below the featured box. Also, you have an option to disable the featured area as well. For this, you just have to click this area, disable featured area, and your featured area will be disabled. Also, there is an option to show how many blog posts will be shown on the home page, as well as you can disable the total home blog area, including the home page widget or sidebar, by clicking this area. And if you click the save changes, you will see that the blog area, like this one, like this area, will be disappeared. Okay, but I'll suggest you that you should not disable it, because the fresh content on the home page is very essential for SEO. Okay, also this theme provides some SEO features. For this, you can add your home page title, description, and meta keywords, as well as this theme is very SEO friendly for in-house Facebook ranking. And for this, you can add your title, description, and icon, as well as Google Plus SEO is ready. And now I will show you how to add your Google Map settings. For this, you can add your address, and your city name and state and zip code. And if you click the save changes, you will see that this area, it is a Google Map area, and it will be updated upon the fill upping the Google Map form content. Loading, sorry. Click the save changes, and if you see it, it has been updated automatically from your Google Map settings. And now you will find a form settings. It is very really cool, and you can add your email address here where the form will be submitted. Also, you can add a thank you URL, so that after submitting your form, your user will be redirected to a thank you page, and it is really cool. And when you will fill up this settings, your form on this here will be functional, as well as the form that can be acquired from the shortcode that will be updated. Now you have option for footer changes to change your footer copyright. And this is the widget area for the footer, and it is the generic content. When you will add footer content, this content will be disappeared and your own content will be shown. For this, you have to go to the widgets and go to the footer widget area. And for now, I will add a recent posts. Okay, and if you can add your title, and you can define how many posts will be shown, and you can click the save changes. And if you go to your website, you will see that the generic contents were gone and your new widget were showing here. Okay, as well as you have options. You have more widgets for blog page, home page autoresponder. It is very good and cool widget, so that you can replace this form with your own autoresponder code that can be acquired from Uber or something. Even you can add some text here if you want, like if you want to add your own autoresponder code, you have to drag the text widget area here, sorry, not here, and you can add a title, then your own corresponder code will go here, and click the save changes. And if you go to your website and refresh it, you'll find that it has been updated. As I did not add enough codes, so it is a little now. But when you will add your own autoresponder code, that should have your email address, name field, email address field, and your submit button, then it will look good. Okay. So also you have some advanced widget that is custom and only for this theme, like this one, call to action. Here you will able to add your title, a text, and contact us, button text, and a URL, and it will help you to encourage your website to engage with something cool, and you can offer some valuable offer to them, and it will surely increase your conversion rate. As well as there is another way to display some cool things by using intro text. Here you will able to add a title, and you can add some icons. We are using a font for this, but for now I will leave it blank, and now you can add your link and link title. So if you go to your website, you will see that it has been updated, and it is really cool. If I add a icon like ace, and if you click it and refresh your website, and you will see that it is working really fine. Now then you have option to add snippets. That is really cool, and it can work for page and posts. Like page, you can sorry, post, then you can add to different post here, and you can turn on, and then you can set changes, and you will see that a slider, featured post slider, will be available for this section. You see that it is a slider and it is working correctly. First post have a image, and it is showing here, and the second post does not have, so it is not showing it here. And it is really cool, and you can show your post, a specific post or a specific pages in a different and a stylish way within a slider. Then you have option for post post list. There is another custom widget for you, and it can show recent post from a specific category. For this you have to click this the category name, and you can specify the number of posts that will be shown here, and you can save the changes. And if you go to your website and refresh it, you will find that the recent post under the specific category that is now uncategorized, and it is showing it here. So enjoy your website, and thank you very much for viewing it.